Hey, fitness warriors, today we're diving into the exciting world of brewing gains where coffee meets muscle building. So grab your mugs and let's get started. Before you dismiss coffee as just a morning boost, let's uncover the science. Caffeine stimulates your central nervous system, enhancing strength and endurance. But remember, moderation is key for optimal results. Let's talk practicality with two powerhouse pre-workout recipes. First, the protein-packed espresso shake brewed espresso, whey protein, banana, and almond milk, a protein-rich elixir to fuel your workout. Next, the cinnamon cold brew. Kick a refreshing blend of cold brew, cinnamon, and coconut milk. After the gym, indulge in the Mocha Muscle Replenisher dark chocolate, brewed coffee, and collagen powder for sweet recovery. Or try the Turmeric Latte Refuel Coffee, turmeric, black pepper, and honey for an anti-inflammatory boost. Coffee can be your secret ally in reaching macro goals. It's low-calorie and versatile. Customize it to suit your taste while staying mindful of your nutritional plan. Let's expand beyond the cup and into your lifestyle. Hydration plays a crucial role in your fitness journey. Consider incorporating water-rich foods like watermelon and cucumber to complement your coffee routine. Staying hydrated enhances overall performance and aids in muscle recovery. Take your coffee game to the next level with these bonus tips. Invest in quality coffee beans for a richer flavor profile. Experiment with different brewing methods like French press or pour over to discover your perfect cup. Elevate your coffee experience and, in turn, enhance your muscle building journey. In a nutshell, coffee is your ally in gains. Experiment with these recipes, find your favorites, and be mindful of your caffeine intake. It's a journey, so savor every moment and every sip. If you enjoyed Brewing Gains, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Share your go-to coffee recipes and lifestyle tips in the comments. Let's build a community fueled by gains and great coffee. Until next time, stay fit, stay caffeinated, and keep crushing it.